Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more budget-friendly prepping tips and survival insights. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned prepper, there's always something to learn here. Prepping doesn't have to break the bank. If you're new to prepping or simply want to be more frugal, there are plenty of ways to build a solid emergency plan without overspending. Today, we're covering the essentials on how to prep on a budget with a focus on cost-effective methods that help you stay prepared. 1. Start small, think big. The first step in budget prepping is to start small and plan your purchases wisely. Rather than trying to buy everything at once, aim to pick up 1 or 2 items each week, focusing on key essentials. Set a goal, like adding just $5 to $10 worth of supplies each shopping trip, and in a few months, you'll have a nice stash without feeling the financial strain. 2. Prioritize the essentials. Next, focus on building up the basics before branching out to more specific gear. Essentials like food, water, and first aid should be your top priority, so start by storing inexpensive, non-perishable items such as rice, beans, pasta, canned goods, and peanut butter. These are nutrient-dense, long-lasting, and can be bought in bulk for a low cost, setting a strong foundation. 3. Take advantage of sales and discounts. Watch for sales, discounts, and clearance sections at local stores and online to maximize savings. Many grocery stores discount items that are approaching their sell-by dates, which can be perfect for canned foods or packaged goods with long shelf lives. Use coupons whenever possible and consider shopping at dollar stores, which often have surprisingly useful items for prepping that don't stretch your budget. 4. DIY and upcycling. Prepping doesn't always require buying new, specialized gear. Think creatively about what you can make yourself. For example, you can turn old coffee cans into mini stoves or use recycled bottles to store water or other supplies. There's a lot you can DIY with just a little creativity, so look around your house for materials you can upcycle and reuse for preparedness. 5. Build a basic first aid kit. A good first aid kit is essential for any prepper, but it doesn't have to be costly. Start with basics like bandages, antiseptic, pain relievers, and tweezers. Many of these items can be bought at dollar stores or in bulk. You can add to your kit over time, building it gradually instead of buying a fully stocked one all at once, saving you upfront costs. 6. Learn skills. Instead of buying gear, skills are often more valuable than expensive gear, and learning survival techniques can be free or low cost. Spend time learning essential skills like fire starting, water purification, or basic first aid from resources online or from free community classes. These skills can save you money on equipment and make you more self-reliant in emergencies, strengthening your prepping abilities. 7. Store water. Creatively, water storage is vital, but you don't need to buy expensive containers if you get creative. Rinse and reuse sturdy, food-grade bottles, like 2-liter soda bottles, to store tap water. To ensure you're ready for different situations, consider adding a low-cost water filter to your supplies. Reusing bottles saves on both storage containers and extra water costs. 8. Thrift stores and garage sales for supplies. Thrift stores and garage sales are great places to find affordable prepping supplies, so keep them on your radar. You can often find camping gear, blankets, tools, and even non-perishable food storage containers for a fraction of the price of new ones. With patience and luck, you can find quality gear on a tight budget while building up your prepping essentials. 9. Create a prepper community. One of the best ways to prep on a budget is by building a network of trusted friends or neighbors. Having people around you means you can share resources, learn from each other, and even make bulk purchases together to save money. Prepping isn't just about stockpiling supplies. It's about creating a support system you can rely on when challenges arise. 10. Avoid prepping pitfalls. Finally, Stay focused and avoid common prepping pitfalls that could waste your hard-earned cash. It's easy to get swept up in the hype of the latest survival gear, but avoid focusing on expensive, specialized items you may not use. Instead, look for affordable, multi-use items that truly add value to your kit and skills that help you be more resourceful. Prepping on a budget is all about taking small steps and being resourceful with what you have. By starting with these thrifty tips, you'll be well on your way to building a solid emergency plan without overspending. Remember, preparedness isn't about what you can buy. It's about what you can learn, make, and organize for any situation. If you found this informational, then don't forget to subscribe to Doomsday Prepper for more prepping content. Remember, it's not about having it all. It's about making the most of what you have.